Hey, it's Rachel from The Life Facilitator, and I am sharing a plan with me today using stickers from my stash and the Cocoa Daisy Paperie collection, including these vertical classic inserts. I'm really excited about this plan with me today because this is a trick I do pretty much every month when it comes to Cocoa Daisy kits. So I start the month with Cocoa Daisy sort of heavy deco in my planners. And then as the month goes on, I use the kit's color scheme and sort of feel, I guess, to pair it with items that are in my stash. Now, I almost have too many stickers that match the papery theme because the colors are these just beautiful pastels that I am already drawn to. So the corals, the sort of teal, the yellows, all of them are just colors I tend to be drawn to. So I had a lot of stickers that I could pull from. And so this is just such a fun way to stretch your kit. The Cocoa Daisy kits, especially the planner kits, don't have to be, they don't have to meet every planner need that you have. And in fact, if there are items that you use frequently and already have a lot of, maybe it makes sense when it comes to your Cocoa Daisy kits to pick things that you don't have a lot of. So here's a good example. The Cocoa Daisy sticker kits, specifically the classic sticker kit and the memory keeping sticker kit, don't have a ton of like blank boxes, but that's just fine for me because I have just boatloads of blank boxes like that one that I can use from my stash to support or supplement, that's the word I'm looking for, supplement my weekly planning. What I love that come in these kits are alphas, and I don't have a lot of alphas that I like that are available in my sticker stash. And so I love that the classic sticker kit and the memory keeping sticker kit, actually most of the sticker kits have alphas, and I have found that I use them pretty frequently in my regular everyday planning to give each day of the week a little sort of a priority. And the alpha stickers help me do that, and they come in pretty much almost every sticker kit. They don't come in the week sticker kits, but definitely the classic sticker kit, which is meant to be the kit that coordinates with the classic vertical inserts. And then the planner add-on kit, you can see those little ones off to the side. And then these ones I'm using right now, I think are from the Daisy add-on sticker kit. And so it's just really fun to pair the Cocoa Daisy kits with things I already have. What I feel like it does is it gives my stash stickers like new life, if you will. These are stickers I've had for quite a few years, and it's nice to pull them out and give them a little bit of give them new life. There's no other way to describe it. So I am plugging away and just kind of going day by day at this point of what all is happening this week. I am still in recovery from a procedure I had earlier in January. So my schedule is definitely, maybe a little bit, this season of life looks a little bit different than other seasons. But yeah, still making sure that I am planning out my week, to make sure that I have, I'm still maintaining some structure to my days. I think it's easy when you're recovering from either a procedure or illness or things to feel like, well, I'm just doing a lot of nothing, so why plan? Well, I find that this is the time I need my planner the most, so that I give, so that I am not feeling sort of bad about the fact that I can't do as much as I normally do. Plus, hey, it's just fun to play with stickers, am I right? And here's another example of something that I love that comes in the sticker kit, the classic sticker kit. There are always word strip stickers, and those are not necessarily things that I find in like the Happy Planner sticker books. And so I love having those available to me. I also really love these little washi strips because, sometimes you just need a punch of color, but you don't need a whole roll of washi. Here's a fun thing that I did. I have this quote, and I am going to mat it on one of the stickers, one of the Happy Planner stickers, almost to create a frame around it. And I love it. I think it's so cute. So this is another fun part about pairing, new and old, that you can pair the Cocoa Daisy stickers with, things from your stash. And I will say, the colors are, as I look at it now, the colors aren't perfectly matched, but I think because there's so much color in this layout, it works and it makes me happy. And so I don't need the colors to pair perfectly. I just, I want my planner to help me get things done, but also be a space that I want to return to. These stickers are from the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit, and they're so cute. And I'm very tempted to hoard them, and I am just trying to use them rather than hoard them. I would say that this is maybe a little bit fuller of a spread than I maybe would normally do. And that's okay. I just got really excited about planning this week. Using a few rub-ons. I thought I was going to use that typewriter, and I decided it's not working. The color is a little bit too saturated, and I don't see a lot of that color on the rest of the page. So I am actually just using clear sticker paper and rubbing the rub-on onto the clear sticker paper, basically making a sticker out of it, and I can just throw it in with my die cuts rather than trying to save that little piece and put, with the rest of the rub-ons. So if you love rub-ons, but you find you're cutting up your rub-ons and all of a sudden you have a few extra bits and you don't know what to do with them, if you have clear sticker paper, it's really easy to just rub the rub-on onto clear sticker paper, and then it basically acts as a transparent sticker later, when you want to use it later. So I have a couple more elements I'm going to add to this spread, but I'd love to know in the comments how you stretch if you're a subscriber to Cocoa Daisy, how you stretch your kits, and how you feel about shopping your stash. Leave me a comment and let me know how you feel about that. Or any tips you have for shopping your stash, because I think the one thing that's hard for me is just remembering what items I have. Especially with sticker books. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Give me a thumbs up, and see you later. Bye!